Hello, everyone. My coach are love again for you, and I do hope that you are well. And now I'm here. Why? You see the subject here, the sound of alphabet, and you see on the board the necessity of sound of alphabet. The necessity of sound of alphabet very important for us. And why? How? I would like to show you here some examples. It's very important for us, especially for the kids, learners, or young learners. And it is most important for us, for everybody. But why? I would like to show you, I would like to deliver, I would like to prove with example. You see here on the board, there are three words. And these words are, of course, not common for you. It's uncommon, and especially for the young learners or for the kids. And you see, and now we'll try our labels to pronounce, to sound the word according to the sound of alphabet that we have memorized or read already. So now come to our main point. You see, the first word, the letter, first letter, on the R, R, O, A, T, E, K. What the total sound here? Romantic, romantic. How it's possible? Any kid or any young learner can pronounce the word easily if he or she can learn the sound of alphabet. You see, the first word, ra, o, ma, a, t, e, ka. Romantic, romantic. Ra, r, r, o, o, o. Yeah, yeah. Roman, roman. T, 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 E, K. Romantic. So easily we can pronounce the word romantic. Next you see D, D, E, S, S, D, E, S, T, T, U, U. Here R, R, B, U, R, U, here R, D, E, S, T, 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 R, R, B. Disturb, disturb, D, E, S, this. T, T, T. Ra, 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 b. Disturb. So we can see, we can pronounce the word easily. Disturb, disturb, disturb. Next you see there are many letters here. Of course, the word is hard, and of course, the word is long word or a big word and heavy word. But a kid or a young learner can easily pronounce it if he learns the sound of alphabet. You see, da, da, e, s, t, ra, e, ba, a, or u, t, e, distributive, distributive, and here is silent letter. So distributive, though though it is pronounced well distributive, but distributive, distributive. A learner, a young learner, a kid also can pronounce easily if he or she learns the sound of alphabet clearly. So I would like to show here the necessity of sound of alphabet. Necessity of sound of alphabet is very important for us. It is basically very important for us. So uh, this is this is my quality education for you and for the kids or the young learners. And if they try to learn the sound of it in this way, and they will be able to pronounce the word easily. Okay, thank you so much.